Good morning, students. Today we start our new topic, and our topic is CSV files, and we handle CSV files with the help of Python. So, this is our last topic of Python file handling. Now, first of all, what is CSV? CSV means comma separated values. So, these are those files in which each values different values which are separated by comma. Okay, so it is a simple file format used to store tabular data such as spreadsheet or database. So these files are used to store data in the form of spreadsheets or in database. CSV file store tabular data. The data will be a number or text in a plain text. So data in the CSV file is in the form of plain text. Plain text means which is readable for us. It is in the normal text. Each line of the file is a data record, and there are several lines in the file, and each line is an individual record. Each record consists of one or more field separated by comma. There are various records in the file, and each record is separated by a comma. So I will show you how to make the file. For working in CSV files in Python, there is a inbuilt module called CSV. So in this part we are using a CSV module of Python to handle this CSV file. First of all, let us see how we can make a CSV file. These are the three records which I make in an MS Excel. Make this file in MS Excel. Name, age, profession. Name is Jack, age is 23, profession is doctor. Then another record is Miller, 22, engineer. So there are three records: name, age, profession. Then Jake, 23, doctor. Miller, 22, engineer. Make this file in Excel and save this file. You have to go on save as option, and in save as option name this file as people. Write only people, and save as type as CSV comma delimited. The delimiter is comma. Okay, then save. Click on save. So first of all, make this file is in MS Excel, then choose the save as option, and in save as option give the name of the file people, and save as type is CSV comma delimited. When you click on the arrow, drop down arrow, the option CSV comma delimited is there. You can select the option and then click on save. This is the way to make the CSV file. Now if you want to read the content of this file with the help of Python, we have to write the code. This is the code. Import CSV. First of all, we have to import CSV module. The CSV here is in the lower case. Okay, this CSV is in the lower case. Now file equals to open, the name of the file people.csv, and we are opening the file in read mode. I am not showing the path of the file here, so if you are making the file in a particular location, then you have to mention the path also here. Otherwise, if it is in the same working directory where your Python file resides, so you can only give the name of the file. Now here a variable reader I have defined. You can name at your own choice, equals to csv.reader. The reader function is of CSV module, so I am using here csv.reader function, which takes argument as a file, and by default it will read the file which is delimiter as comma. So by default it has delimiter. Delimiter means each value is separated by comma, so by default it will read the file which has delimiter as a comma. Now I am using for loop for row in reader. The reader will consist of file, and reader will contain the file in the form of list, different lists. So we are traversing different lists one by one. So this row will consist of single list. This is a single list. In each iteration, this row will consist of different lists. So whenever I am going to print row in this for loop, this row will consist of single list, and each list is a single record of the file. First record, second record, third record. So this loop will run 3 times because we have 3 records, 3 different records, and each record will be converted into list by this reader function, and this reader by this reader variable, and this reader variable will consist of all this record in the form of list, and it will act as a list of list. So this for loop will read all the records in the form of list, and this row will be consist of single record, and in each iteration each record will be printed. So this for loop will run 3 times because we have 3 records, and our output will be, first record will be name, age, profession, first iteration, then second iteration, second list, Jack 23, doctor, third iteration, Miller 22, engineer. So this is the basic way to read the CSV file with the help of csv.reader method, which is of CSV module, and this module will consist of file handler as well as default delimiter is comma. So no need to write delimiter here. The another way of writing this code is also here, but first of all look at this. In the previous example we are using the csv.reader function in default mode for CSV files having comma delimiter. So the csv.reader method by default uses delimiter as comma. The another method to write the same code is with option. This is important one. You can also use this import CSV with open people.csv in the read mode as file. This is a file handler, and our block or suite starts from here. So we have to write all our code with some indentation. Again I am using the same variable reader equals to csv.reader, and I am passing file. Now the same code for row in reader, print row. This code and the previous code here give the same output. This you can first make this file and then run these two codes. The output of both this code will be same, but first of all you have to create the file. If you are having problem creating file, you can ask me or call me. I will show how to create the file with the help of Excel. Now writing into CSV files. Writing is very simple. Import CSV module, again with open method, with open people.csv in the write mode, and as a file handler. Here it is our file handler. Again a block starts here. Again a variable writer. You can give your name according to your convenience. I am giving here writer. Writer equals to csv.writer and the file handler. Now with the help of this writer, we are able to write some content in the file. Now here I am using write row method. Write row method, with the help of this writer variable, I write writer dot write row and our values. The values which were passed as a record, as a single record, I have passed. In this record I have passed, first is name, then age, then profession. Name, age and profession in the form of list, because our this file will consist of 3 fields: name, age and profession. So first value is name, second value is age, third value is profession, because our this people.csv file consists of name, age and profession. So this write row method will write the content of the file, but we have opened the file in write mode. It means all the previous record will be erased and our new record will be added. So if you want to add this record at the last, you can open the file in append mode also. So here you can change from W to A also. So you can write this file in append mode. So your previous data will not be lost. So write these two programs. make the test list programs, but first of all you have to make this file. I am again showing how to make the file. Open an Excel workbook, MS Excel, make this data, type this data, then click on save as, give the name of the file people, don't give .csv, give the name only people, then save as type. In the save as type option, click on the drop down arrow, you have an option CSV in bracket comma delimited, choose the option and then click on save. This is the way to make a CSV file with the help of Excel, MS Excel. After creating this file, you are able to run this code, otherwise this code are of no sense. So first of all make the file, then run this code, and after running this code you have the given desired output. This code is same as this code. I am showing you both the codes because both these are important. In this with open block you have no need to close the file, but in this we have to close the file. So after this reading you have to close the file. So you can write file dot close here, but in case of with option there is no need to close the file. So this is the major difference. And with the open option you can group your task under the block with open, but in individual open there is no block here, but block is in for loop. Run this program and check it whether they are running or not, and if there any problem persists with you, you can ask me at any time. Here our Python file handling topics, all the topics such as binary file handling, text file handling and CSV file handling are finished. Now we will start from new topic in our next class. Okay, so in Python file handling, if there are any doubts in text file handling or in binary file handling or in CSV file handling, you can ask me. In CSV file handling you have three topics: CSV module, and there is CSV reader, and another one is CSV write row. These three topics are in your syllabus. It is very the file handling topic is very deep in Python, but you have limited syllabus in your 12th class. So whatever I have given to you, go through it very seriously and practice it, otherwise you are not able to understand in the near future. So that's all for today. Goodbye.